So guys, for the first method, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the chipset INF utility. Once we're here, make sure that you're on the latest version, scroll down and then click on download. It's now going to start downloading, wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to click on it. Once this comes up, click on yes, choose your language and then click on next, and then click on next again, and then click on next again, and then click on I accept, and then click on next, and then click on next, and then click on install. It's now going to start installing, wait for this to load. Once that's been done, click on finish, see if that fixes your problem. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in device manager, click on it. Once you're on this, you want to uninstall the SMBus that you're having a problem with. It's most likely going to be under system devices. If you expand that, you want to find SMBus. If it's not here, then you just want to look for it up here somewhere. So once you find the SMBus you're having a problem with, you want to right click on it and then click on uninstall. And then click on uninstall again. You want to uninstall it. Once it's been uninstalled, see if that works. And to reinstall it again, click on your computer name, which will highlight it, click on action, and then click on scan for hardware changes. It will then reinstall it again, see if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates, click on it. Once you're on this, click on check for updates, make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Then you want to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.